Hello guys, we are back again with another video. It's your boy MT Celeb Zambia. Welcome to my channel. So today guys, not quite away from my side news. Ingandaka Tishon, the Baira Empire. So now so this was posted by Afrofile trending videos. So Tishon's house gutted by fire. Press statement. So here is what was written, what really happened to Tishon's house. In a heartbreaking statement issued by Jonathan Ngoma on behalf of Tishon, it has been confirmed that the artist's house in Lusaka, Lilai area has been gutted by fire, damaging household goods worth thousands kwachas. Read the statement below. Statement on the gutting of Tishon's house. Request for support. I'm hereby permitting to put up a statement of confirmation as well as notification of incident that happened in the afternoon of 5 July 2021 in Lusaka, Lilai area, in which Zambian artist Richard Mulenga aka Tishon's house was left in ashes. Household and goods worth thousands of kwachas were lost in the inferno. Investigation into the cause of the fire are ongoing, and once concluded, the public will be informed. In the spirit of goodwill, we as friends to the Mulenga family are requesting for support from well wishers who would like to help them get back to their feet and rise from this unbearable loss. To this cause, any form of material and financial support is being solicited and welcomed. Those willing step in with support can get in touch with me on or can send through their contribution to the number below. Issued by Jonathan Ngoma. We wish Tishon well after this devastating event, and we ask everyone to render any form of support to help our artist get back on his feet. So here's some photos, guys.
Ine konseninga ya mano ni pali iwe niwe ndefa ya mupepi niwe wine natimwa niwe wine.
Thank you guys for watching this video. It's your boy MT Celeb Zambia. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated every time if we upload nothing before my latest. So guys, this is the video for today. See you next time with another special video.